two grandfathers, and four sons.
How many chairs? I'm overthinking this one too. Okay. There's four fathers, two grandfathers, and four sons.
Mm-hmm.
See, I would say 10, but I really don't think it's 10.
What do you think it is?
Okay, you know what? I'll throw and I'll say it's a 10. Or it's 10.
I'll give it one more try. How many chairs do you need to seat four fathers, two grandfathers, and four sons?
Four fathers, two sons, and
Two grandfathers and four sons.
Two grandfathers. I'm really overthinking this. All right. You know what? I'll pass on this one. I don't know.